Despite this very long queue you see here at the tax return office in Windhoek, the Ministry of Finance is very concerned at the slow rate these forms are coming in.
We want to see more returns coming in so that the taxpayer can avoid long queues on the 30th of June 2014. But also one thing that we would want taxpayer to ensure is that once they receive the pay-as-you-earn certificate or that pink form from their employer, they must also personally ensure that the right amount of taxes have been paid. Because if there is under deduction, the taxpayer themselves, they will be held liable to pay for that under deduction, and that also comes with penalties. We would like to call upon all the employers to make sure that they fast track this process and issue their employees with their pay-as-you-earn certificate so that the employees can then submit their tax returns on time.
Some very unpleasant consequences are in store for those who submit later than the due date, and also for those who do not submit their tax returns at all.
It's a criminal offense for you not to submit on that date, of which you could be penalized. It could be 300 or even 3 months imprisonment if convicted. We had cases of people who never took the issue of the submission of return very serious, and by the time they go on retirement, then half or most of their pension have to go to the state to cover for those penalty and interest. In case if they die, for example, and there are money or funds available in their pension funds and so on, and they owe the state, before that estate is wound up, the state will get their money. And who suffer in that case? Only the family members of those people. So if you really love your family, you love your kids, you love your wife or your husband, make sure that you do the right thing.
Francios Olivier reporting for the news on 1.